What's up, guys? B-Rob here. Have you been wondering if and how a diet consisting of beets helps with muscle building? Well, today I'm going to discuss 3 muscle building benefits of beets, and I'm going to do this all in about 3 minutes. I'll be right back. Beets are not only delicious, but they also provide you with an array of health benefits, including upping your muscle building game. The nitrates in beets can boost blood flow and endurance while preventing fatigue, allowing you to hit the gym harder for a longer period of time. Not only that, but eating beets has been shown to lower blood pressure and improve heart function, while also promoting healthy cholesterol levels. So, I know you're ready. Let's go. The 3 muscle building benefits of beets. Number 1 is beets may increase muscle endurance and oxygen. One study found that consuming 1 teaspoon of beet juice 2 to 3 times per day for 15 days improved muscle strength, endurance, and oxygen capacity during high-intensity exercises. Beets contain nitrates that are absorbed by the blood and turn into nitric oxide, which has been shown to boost athletic performance. This increase in muscle endurance and oxygen capacity will allow you to go longer during your workout so that you can build more muscle. Number 2, beets can reduce muscle soreness. Beets are high in vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS, after intense workouts. Delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS, happens when lactic acid builds up during strenuous exercises and takes about 1 to 3 days to fully subside. This is caused when free radicals are being released, which can damage muscle fibers. The vitamin C in beets scavenges the free radicals and helps protect your muscles from damage, reducing DOMS. Number 3, beets improve blood flow. Beetroot juice has been shown to increase blood flow by 10% and improve maximal performance by up to 16.5%. As I mentioned before, beets naturally contain nitrates, which help convert the food you eat into energy for your muscles. The nitrates in beets can increase blood flow and allow you to work out longer and harder. For athletes, this means more time spent in the gym, resulting in more muscles gained. For weightlifters, this means more time under tension, and I think this is all great for all the way around, right? And that's it. Short and sweet, right? If you'd like to know more about protein supplements, or if you're looking for my review based on my personal experience using supplements, feel free to check out more videos on this channel. I have a number of in-depth reviews that cover all types of supplements. Also, in the comments below, tell me what you think. Have you tried using beets? If so, what was your experience? Also, check out the links in the descriptions for discounts and my affiliate links to some great products. Follow me on Instagram at thisisb_rob. Check out my website at thisisbrob.com. And finally, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.